Hello everybody, this is Jacob with Nexus. I am here at 212-214 Burnside Avenue, Unit 3L, located in Woonsocket, Rhode Island. This is a third floor, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit, renovated and updated with fresh paint, new flooring, and new kitchen countertops. So we're going to start our walkthrough here right in the first bedroom that you have and go from there. This bedroom has a beautiful set of bay windows with great street views, allows for a lot of sunshine into the room. You do have the front entryway to your unit housed in here as well. As you can see, gorgeous new laminate wood flooring, a great paint job. Perfect space in here for a standard to full-size bed set. You could maybe try and swing a queen, but realistically, twin, full XL bed sets are perfect for this. So that's the first bedroom. We'll flip around now and check out the living area. That's what's connected to here through the doorway. So living area is perfect for a small entertainment system, good sized couch. You do have one outlet in here, so just keep that in mind. You also have an additional closet space in this living area as well for some storage. That's the first side. Flipping around. There's a closet space right in the corner. And just a pretty conventional living space. So that's that. And connected to the living area through here is the kitchen. So the kitchen houses a good amount of space for a small sized dining set, particularly near these wide open windows. It's perfect space for a dining set. Does lead to a little galley area, which we'll check out next. But in the main kitchen area, you've got some countertop space next to the stove, along with a couple cabinets surrounding the stove. Speaking of that, 4-burner stove and medium-sized refrigerator in here. Also houses the rear entryway to your unit. Right in the corner near the windows, you have an old style setup right here. Some large size cabinets up above, some shelving, and some additional cabinets underneath. Excellent. And going into the galley area over here, even more kitchen cabinets underneath and above. This includes the large size ones up above. Plenty of storage available to you in this kitchen. And a nice wide open new countertop with the new single bin stainless steel sink. Great. All right, last we'll be heading down this little hallway which houses the bathroom and second bedroom. So we'll check out the bathroom first. Bathroom again, new flooring, fresh paint. Got a full tub and shower ready to go over to the side. And towards the end is the toilet and your small sink setup over here. A little bit of a smaller bathroom, but of course houses all the necessities. And last is the second bedroom. This is the one, of course, next to the bathroom. And pretty standard sized bedroom. It's got its own closet space, a window with some good views. Again, new flooring, fresh paint. Perfect for a twin to full. Again, this bedroom I would probably just recommend staying with a twin to full, even full XL bed set. But definitely wouldn't go any larger. And that's basically it. So once again, this is 212-214 Burnside Ave, Unit 3L in Woonsocket. Before I go, I'd like to remind everybody as always to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel so you can keep up to date with all the listings that we have available on our site. And of course, any news related to real estate and property management will be located there as well. Thank you very much.